Happy Youth Month, South Africa. Today we celebrate the energy, the brilliance, and the unstoppable potential of young people. You're not just the future, you're the force shaping today. And there's some pretty cool science that explains just how powerful your brain really is during these years. During adolescence, your brain is in a high-speed growth phase. The prefrontal cortex, responsible for planning, decision-making, and self-control, is still developing. But the limbic system, which controls emotions and reward, is already firing on all cylinders. That's why you might feel everything more deeply, but it's also why you're wired for creativity, bold ideas, and emotional intelligence. Every new challenge, hobby, or friendship you explore strengthens your brain's connections, boosting your ability to think, adapt, and lead. So when you take on new projects, ask big questions, or lift someone up, you're not just making memories. You're wiring your brain for brilliance. Celebrate your voice. Trust your spark. And remember, your youth is more than a moment. It's your launchpad.